In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Instagram Reels. This is going to be a very easy and simple strategy that anybody can do. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to make money with this method and 3 different kind of accounts that you can create in order to make money with Instagram Reels. All of this can be set up quickly and you don't even have to show your face for any of these methods because we're going to be creating anonymous accounts on Instagram. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on how to make money online. And without further ado, let's jump into today's method. So in order to make money with Instagram Reels, what we're going to be doing is following this simple strategy. So first off is we're going to be collecting different videos and making compilations inside of Instagram Reels. And then we're going to be sending that traffic from those videos to our bio where we're going to have an affiliate link so that when people click on that link and purchase a product from us, we get a commission every single time that happens. And that's called affiliate marketing. And that is going to be the strategy in a nutshell for how we're going to be making money with Instagram Reels. The first way that we're going to be making money with Instagram Reels is by creating a woodworking Instagram account. As you can see here, the Reels that they post get tons of views. This one had 139,000, this one had 16,000, and this one right here had another 28,000 views. And as you can see, also their posts get a lot of engagements as well. What we want to take a look at is their bio. So all we have to do is just click here, and as you can see, they are selling a ClickBank product that promotes 16,000 woodworking plans. So what we have to do is head over to clickbank.com and create our free account. So go ahead and click on start here and then answer these survey questions. There's only a couple of them, and at the very end it's going to ask for your email. Go ahead and enter in your email here, hit the submit button, and you can start your free ClickBank account. Now once you're inside of ClickBank, go ahead and just click on this button that looks like a marketplace, and that's going to open up the ClickBank marketplace, and that's where we're going to find that 16,000 woodworking plan affiliate program. So on the left here, scroll down until you see home and garden and click on that. Then scroll up to the top, and then this is the product that we're going to be promoting here called Ted's Woodworking. So go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to show you that it's the same 16,000 wood plans that the Woodworking Ideas account is promoting. So if you want to become an affiliate for this product and promote it, you can actually make an average conversion of $59.15. So go ahead and just click on the promote button and then enter in your account nickname that you created for ClickBank. Then go ahead and just hit the create hop link button, and that's going to give you your unique affiliate link for Ted's Woodworking. Go ahead and copy that, and now what we have to do is we have to create a bit.ly link that we're going to be using inside of our bio on Instagram. So head over to bit.ly.com and hit that create button at the top, and then paste in your affiliate link, and then hit the create button right here, and that's going to create your unique bit.ly link. Now you can go ahead and just copy this link right here, and that's going to allow you to promote that link inside of Instagram on the bio. Now I highly recommend taking some tips from Woodworking Ideals and how they set up their bio. So as you can see here, they have a lot of arrows pointing to where people should click, and this is going to be where you're going to be putting your link inside of the Instagram bio. And one of the best ways in order to find content to post on these Instagram accounts is going to be on TikTok. As you can see here, here's an account called Woodworking King, and they have over 96,000 followers on TikTok, and they actually just post a lot of videos of people chopping wood. So you can actually just take this content, turn it into compilation videos, and put those compilation videos on your Instagram account about woodworking. You could also create a TikTok account just like Woodworking King and drive traffic to your Instagram account promoting that 16,000 wood plans inside of your bio. The next way to make money with Instagram Reels is going to be by creating a motivational channel by taking different clips of a guy by the name of 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗦. This guy has been going viral on places like Instagram and TikTok and basically all over the internet. Now, if you can create an account of the different highlights of 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗦, you can actually make money with this method, as we will see very shortly. So if I scroll down here, you can see that all these different reels are getting so many views. So 26,000 here, 24,000 here, 30,000 here, 53,000, 123,000. So these different clips of 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢 do go viral on these different social media platforms, including Instagram when you use Instagram Reels. So what you have to do is just create an account on Instagram about the different highlights of 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢. And then what we're going to be doing is promoting his Hustlers University. So if I click here, you'll see that this guy is actually promoting Hustlers University 2.0. So this is going to be an affiliate link, and people are actually making money just by promoting Hustlers University and using videos of 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧. So they never even show their face on camera. These are all just highlight clips of 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗦 talking about motivation and making money online. And then what they do is they send that traffic up to their bio, and every single time somebody clicks on this Hustlers University and purchases the product, they're going to get a commission from this. And as you can see, they have 25,000 followers right now. So this strategy is working really well on Instagram. So what you need to do is join Hustlers University. It's $49 per month, and that's going to allow you to become an affiliate for Hustlers University. And you're going to be making a commission every single time that you refer somebody to this affiliate program. I'm going to go ahead and leave the link down below to Hustlers University so you can sign up and become an affiliate. And there's lots of good information inside Hustlers University. I myself am a part of this community, and I've seen a lot of growth in different people, and there's so many people making money with this method. It's crazy. They give you all the different clips, so you don't have to search on Instagram to find clips. They actually give you all the clips inside Hustlers University to create these kinds of Instagram accounts to make money promoting Hustlers University on Instagram. So I'll leave the link to it down below. You can go ahead and sign up for Hustlers University, and then you can find the clips of 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧 talking inside of the members area of Hustlers University. Now, if you want more videos of 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧, you could just go over to TikTok, and you can find so many videos of him talking because so many people are doing this method. And if you want to save these videos from TikTok and re-upload them to Instagram, all you're gonna have to do is head over to a place called SnapTik and then just paste in the video link from TikTok, and you can actually download that TikTok video without the watermark so that you can upload it right back on to Instagram, so you have tons of content to use in order to promote Hustlers University. So I highly recommend getting inside of Hustlers University so you can become an affiliate and start doing this method. So many people are finding success just by uploading clips of 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧 onto Instagram Reels. Now, if you're comfortable with putting your face on camera, method number 3 is going to be the best way to make money on Instagram Reels. So as you can see here, here's an account of a guy who has 50,000 followers on Instagram, but he actually makes $30,000 a month with affiliate marketing just promoting products on his Instagram account. And if we click on this link here, you're going to see that he has a landing page, and this landing page is actually promoting a product called Legendary Marketer. If you're not familiar with Legendary Marketer, it's an affiliate marketing program that has online marketing education inside. So it has courses, it has memberships, it has one-on-one coaching inside of Legendary Marketer, and you can promote it as an affiliate by promoting what is called the 15-day online business builder challenge. And in order to become an affiliate, what you have to do is just take this 15-day business builder challenge. And in fact, I'll leave a link down below this video so you can become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer. But once you do that, you can log in to Legendary Marketer and you can become an affiliate. So I'm currently inside of the back end of Legendary Marketer. This is the affiliate marketing section, and you can click on funnels here, and they have all these different funnels that you can promote different products inside of Legendary Marketer. So if I click on that one, we can go to affiliate links, and I can actually promote these different products. So my favorite affiliate marketing link to promote is going to be this one right here. This is for the sales page for Legendary Marketer. If you want to promote it, you can just become an affiliate and find all your affiliate links inside of the back end section of Legendary Marketer. Now, the kind of content that works well on Instagram Reels is going to be different kind of content about making money with affiliate marketing or just making money online in general. As you can see here, he talks about earning affiliate marketing as a proven system. Right here, he talks about showing proof of his earnings with affiliate marketing. So a lot of different proof is going to work well on Instagram. But what if you don't want to show your face on camera and you still want to make money with Instagram Reels using this method of promoting the 15-day online business builder challenge? Well, you can create videos just like Hustle to Rich on TikTok. As you can see, they create videos where they just film their camera doing online presentations. These are just PowerPoint presentations that they create using Google Slides. And as you can see, they get tons of different views on TikTok. So what you could do is you could do the same thing but on Instagram Reels. So what you would do is you would just take the different topics that are inside of these videos on TikTok and create the same kind of content on Instagram Reels, and you never have to show your face on camera in order for this method to work. And then once you create these videos using Google Slides, then you can just go ahead and upload those videos to Instagram, and you can start promoting Legendary Marketer inside of your bio. Whichever of the 3 methods that you decide to do, I highly recommend checking out the links below this video inside the description if you want to become an affiliate for these affiliate marketing programs that tons of people are seeing success with online. Take Hustlers University, for example. If we check out the results page on Hustlers University, you can see that these are students' results right here. So here's tons of money here that somebody made, and here's some more money here. Somebody made money using Amazon FBA. Tons of people make money with affiliate marketing inside of Hustlers University. So I highly recommend checking out those links down below this video. Become an affiliate and start promoting products on Instagram Reels. And if you want more content from me, go ahead and check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. My name's David, and I do all kinds of videos about how to make money online and different side hustles. So go ahead and check those videos out. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys inside of my next video.